So up until this point, we've only been viewing our website that we've been creating with HTML by dragging the index.html file into our browser. But that does not make our website live. Nobody else can see it out on the web, nor could we access our website from some other computer than the one we're currently creating it on. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually use our Google Drive in order to host our website so that it can be live out on the internet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the waffle. I'm in my email right now, and I'm going to click on that and find Drive and open that up in a new tab. And that is right here. And what I am going to do is I'm going to go to New, and I'm going to do Folder Upload. And there's my website right there. I'm going to select that and click Upload. So it's going to take not just my folder, but it's also going to take everything that is within my folder. And I can double check that just to make sure. Yep, it's all right there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my folder called My Website just by clicking on it once. And I'm going to go to the Share icon. And what I want to do is click Advanced. And I want to change this from private to public because I want it to be public out on the web. And I click Save. Now what I want to do is click Done and then open up my website. And now direct your attention up to the very top where I'm looking at my URL for my folder. And notice it says drive/folder/, and then there's a bunch of letters and numbers. Okay, these letters and numbers are my folder ID. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy everything to the right of that folder's slash. All right, I want to make sure that I copy that, okay, because I'm going to need that later on. Now what I'm going to do is bring up a new tab, and in the URL field I'm going to type Google Drive.com/host/ and now I'm going to paste in my folder ID, and I'm going to hit return. And what pops up is my web page that I have created. Okay, so what I've got here up at the very top is the URL for my website, and it's rather lengthy. So our next step is going to be to use the Google URL shortener. So I'm going to select all of my URL, and I'm going to copy it. And I just happen to have the Google URL shortener right here on my toolbar, but let's say I didn't. I might have to do a new tab and search for it. Google URL shortener, and I'll search for it. And what I'm going to do is paste in that big long URL, and I'm going to shorten it. Okay, so here is my shortened URL right here. I'm going to do Command C. All right, and then so I can copy it, and I'm going to paste it up here, up at the top, and hit return just to make sure it works, and it does. Okay, so I'm going to paste that in again. All right, and so now what I could do is I might email this to other people. I might jot it down or put it into my notes so that I have it for later on. I might want to include this in a document that I have if I keep one for like passwords and such. this is a URL that I can use. And I can actually, because I'm logged in with my account, you can see here in Google URL Shortener, I can always go back if I can't remember just which one it was. And I can just click on these and see where it takes me, and hopefully it takes me to, I find the one that takes me to my site. So this is how we can actually use Google Drive to host our website. And really from here on out, if I create any new pages and so forth, all I have to do is drag them into the My Website folder in my Drive, because now that is shared, and everything is going to be right there where I need it. Remembering that everything that makes up your site needs to be in that one folder.